In his new book, journalist Bob Woodward accuses the White House tenant of knowingly ignoring the risks posed by the novel coronavirus. A scandalous and criminal lie, underlines the Los Angeles Times, which recalls that the provisional toll of the pandemic stands at 190,000 dead in the United States. Trump knew. He knew and he lied. New audio reveals Trump knew in March that the novel coronavirus was airborne, contagious, and significantly deadlier than the flu. But he publicly told Americans the virus was not serious and was going to go away. He was not simply prepared to face a crisis. He wasn't just incompetent. He wasn't even misinformed. He knew how bad it was and was doing everything he could to minimize the situation. We know this because he admitted it all, not just on record, but on tape, to Bob Woodward, the investigative reporter who helped break the Watergate story that brought down President Nixon. So, you know, he's an idiot too. I always wanted to downplay it, Trump said in a March 19 interview with Woodward. I always like to minimize it because I don't want to cause panic. Yes, you can hear him say that. And in an interview on July 21, he shirked all responsibility. The virus has nothing to do with me. It's not my fault, said the president. Trump has dragged his toes on the coronavirus response, refusing to take decisive action and outsourcing most public health responsibilities to states. He ignored science. He called the virus Kung flu. He touted false miracle cures. He organized massive indoor rallies. For a long time he refused to wear a mask. At nearly every stage of the federal response to the coronavirus, the United States government has failed to protect its people. The tapes show that this was not just a poor plan of action. It was willful, even criminal negligence. And now 190,000 Americans have died from COVID-19. 190,000. That's more than the number of Americans who have died in Iraq. Or in Vietnam. Or Revolutionary War. Or the First World War. Or Hurricanes Maria and Katrina combined, then multiplied by 39. Or 63 on September 11, 2001. That's 22% of all COVID deaths globally, in a country that has 4% of the world's population. We now know that thousands of lives could have been saved if social distancing measures had been implemented just a week earlier, 36,000 lives, according to a study published in May. If the United States had the same death rate as the European Union, 84,000 Americans would still be alive. If we had the same death rate as Canada, over 100,000 people would still be with us.